So here we have it guys, the A45 AMG. So this Mercedes is our newest project car, and it is a 2014 model, which is a pre-facelift. And as you can tell guys, it is quite a basic spec. It doesn't have the rear spoiler on the back, and it doesn't have the canards that go at the front bumper. So basically that's called the Aero Pack, and this car does not have it. So I bought this car from Copart, registered as a Cat N, so non-structural damage, and it's had 2 previous owners, and it's only clocked 39,000 miles, which is genuine mileage. I have checked it up, and I paid 14,500 for this car guys, so it's a very good price for a Mercedes A45 AMG, considering the cheapest one that I've seen is about 17, maybe 16.5. So yeah guys, let's just talk you through it, and then we'll go inside the car and I'll show you guys around. So yeah, we'll start off with the front of the car. Just there, someone has painted the front grille. So basically this was all black before, but I have scratched off all that paint because it looks absolutely horrible. So if you look carefully, you can see that whoever's painted it, they used a paintbrush. That's why you got all these brush marks on there. But luckily this paint does usually come off, so I will be peeling the whole thing off. So the front of the car, it's not too bad. If you look at the driver's side, it's got a few scratch marks just in this region here, just up there, and some stone chips as well. The canards have got like a massive gap in them just along the top, and a few scratch marks in there as well. The passenger side, it's got some dents in there as well, just along there. So you got dent just there, and you've got like a massive scratch mark just there. I might just change these up guys. I might go for the black gloss canards, and you can normally get a pack of 6. So you have one replacement one for this one just there. You've got another one that sits along the bottom up here like this, and there's a small one that sits there. So you got 3 for this side, 3 for the other side. I might just change up and go for those. The lower lip has got a bit of damage as well. You've got like a massive dent just there as well, and a few scratch marks on the other side. Apart from that, it's not too bad. The bonnet slightly out of line, so you got like a massive gap just along here. The other side is kind of overlapping onto the wing, so that's going to need realigning. Coming over to the passenger side, you've got this alloy wheel here, which is actually buckled. So if you look down here, it's been pushed in quite badly. It's got curb marks all over it. So yeah, that will need changing. Splash guard sticking out for some reason, but I can just push that back in. Hopefully there's no damage back there. The badges look a bit crooked as well. I might just swap them out for the black ones. This side's not too bad, to be honest. It's relatively clean compared to the driver's side, which I'll show you guys in a bit. Coming to the back of the car, this is probably the cleanest alloy wheel on the car, but we have got a bit of an issue with the electric brake on this side. So inside the car, the parking brake constantly stays on, and we have got a fault with this passenger side rear electric brake motor. I'm not too sure what it's called, but there is an issue back here that we need to resolve later on. We're coming over to the back of the car. So it was a previously Cat N backing damage. I don't really see any damage to the back of the car, but I can see that there's a few things out of line. So that diffuser sticks out quite a bit on this side, and then the driver's side is quite far in, so I'm guessing it just needs to be pushed back into place. But hopefully that's the case. Apart from that, the bumper's not too bad. It's got a few scratch marks up here, just along there, and the tailgate does need to be realigned, and it seems like it's more to the left side. If you look down here guys, there's barely a gap there, and on the right side you got a massive gap just along there, so that will need realigning. Coming over to the driver's side, this alloy wheel as well has also been buckled. If I can find whereabouts, yeah, just along here guys, just along there, this alloy wheel has been pushed in, so this is buckled, so this is no good to us. So I might just end up buying a full set of alloy wheels for this car. This side's got a few dings. You probably struggle to see it because the sun's starting to go down, but there's like 2-3 little dents just along this region here. So I might try pulling them out with the glue sticks, see if that works. So the rear door does have a little dent in it as well. You can probably just about see it on camera, so I'm going to try pulling that out as well. So the alignment is quite horrible between the driver's side and the wing. So the driver's door does stick out a lot more compared to the wing. You'll probably see on camera there's a massive gap there, and that will need sorting out, and it could do with a bit of a touch up as well. So that's something definitely to look into. This side, this alloy wheel is not too bad, to be honest. It's not buckled. It's got a few marks there, but apart from that, it's not too bad. You could probably just sell this one on. And all 4 tyres are bold, so they're no good. Yeah, so back to the front of the car, that's pretty much everything. So what I'll do is I'll open the bonnet, we'll look inside the car, and yeah, we'll see. I'll show you guys what I found inside the bonnet. So underneath the bonnet, guys, the engine bay is not too bad. It doesn't look like anyone's tampered with anything inside the engine bay, so everything's as it should be, apart from the Mercedes badge which goes there. But one thing I've noticed is the bonnet pop-ups that go in here, they are missing on both sides. I'm not sure why that is, but I'm gonna have to obviously get the replacement bonnet pop-ups for the car, because we have got the airbag light on for that reason. So yeah, just needs a proper clean really, but it's not too bad. Coming to the inside of the car, you'll see that we don't have the pan roof. Well, you can tell that from outside, but yeah, we're missing the pan roof. We don't have the fancy AMG gear knob. We've got this standard one. We have got heated seats. We've got the smaller screen. We don't have Alcantara on the steering wheel. So yeah, guys, this is quite a basic spec. It's not really, you know, the best of specs, but at the end of the day, an A45 is an A45, so you can't really complain. It's quite clean from the inside, but we are missing the carpets, the floor mats. Back of the car, it's not too bad. Luckily for us, guys, no one's tampered with the inside of the car. Everything's as it should be. So there we have it, guys. The A45 is our newest project car. So hopefully on the next video we can start working on it. There's no major work that needs doing, but I do want to mod the car up and want to make it look like, you know, an A45, because right now it just looks like a standard A-class. So we are going to end the video there, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.